A piece of cake. Very easy. This homework is a piece of cake. Break the ice. Start a conversation. The teacher broke the ice with a joke. Hit the books. Start studying. I need to hit the books before my exam. Under the weather. Feeling sick. She is under the weather today. Once in a blue moon. Very rare. We go to the zoo once in a blue moon. Cold feet. Nervous or afraid. He got cold feet before the speech. On cloud 9. Very happy. She was on cloud 9 after winning the prize. In hot water. In trouble. He is in hot water for coming late. Spill the beans. Tell a secret. She spilled the beans about the party. The apple of my eye. Someone very special. My daughter is the apple of my eye. More easy idioms. Early bird. A person who wakes up early. Big fish. An important person. Hit the sack. Go to sleep. Keep an eye on. Watch carefully. Break a leg. Good luck. A hot potato. A difficult problem. Raining cats and dogs. Raining heavily. Let the cat out of the bag. Tell a secret by mistake. All ears. Listening carefully. Cry over spilt milk. Don't worry about what is already done.